Hello friends, myself Professor B.D. Bhoknal, Associate Professor, Botany Department, KTHM College, Nasik. Now today's topic is now the algae. Now within algae, the distinguishing characters of now the algae. Now what is algae? A simple, non-flowering and typically aquatic plant of a large group that includes the seaweeds and many single-celled forms such as now chlorella, diatom, etc. Algae contain chlorophyll, but they lack the true stems, true roots, leaves, and the vascular tissue. Distinguishing characters of algae. Now, algae are aquatic in habitat. It means it is found in now water. Algae may be prokaryotic or it may be eukaryotic in organization. Now in case of prokaryotic type of algae, now nuclear membrane, it is totally absent, and such type of algae, it is generally known as prokaryotic type of algae. Then in case of eukaryotic now algae or forms, now the nuclear membrane is present, and such type of algae, it is generally known as now the eukaryotic type of algae. Now the examples of prokaryotic type of algae, now that is blue-green algae, nostoc, anabina, then now oscillatoria, etc. Then the examples of now eukaryotic types of algae, now the Spirogyra, then now the Eulothrix, then now Polysiphonia, etc. There are many algae. Then next, now the plant body, it is thalloid. There is no differentiation of now the root, stem and leaf. Thallus is unicellular. It is made up of single cell. For example, diatom and chlorella, it is made up of only one cell. Then some forms are multicellular. Now in case of multicellular form, now examples are the Spirogyra, Eulothrix, etc. Then some forms are now the filamentous and now this branch. Now the filamentous form, for example Spirogyra, then this form it may be now these branch type, now these ectocarpus, etc. Then some forms are unbranched, some forms are colonial, for example now nostoc, some are motile, non-motile, etc. So the forms they generally shows varied types of now the forms. Then the presence of now the chlorophyll, and with the help of chlorophyll they can prepare their own food material. They do the photosynthesis. Next, it is autotrophic in nutrition. Now with the help of chlorophyll they can prepare their own food material, and these forms are generally known as autotrophic in nutrition. Cell wall is made up of cellulose, the reserve food material. It is formed in the form of now starch. Now algae, it reproduces by Now vegetative, asexual and sexual method. Now the vegetative reproduction, it generally take place by fragmentation method. Now in case of these fragmentation method, now by accidentally or with the help of water current, now the algal filament or the algal thallus, now it is broken down into number of pieces, and each piece of algae it develop into new individual, and such type of reproduction it is generally known as now the vegetative reproduction by fragmentation now method. Asexual reproduction, it generally takes place by the formation of now the spores, aplanospores, then the zoospores and akinete formation. Now regarding this asexual reproduction, now sexes are not formed. Now from the vegetative hyphae, now some cell they act as a now they secrete a thick wall around it, and this whole cell now it develop into now the sporangia, then it produce now the spore, and such type of reproduction it is generally known as asexual type of now reproduction by spore formation. Next, sexual reproduction. Now the sexual reproduction is isogamous, unisogamous and oogamous type. Now the sexual reproduction it is generally isogamous. Both the gametes are similar in size and shape, and the union takes place among the both gamete, and such type of now the sexual reproduction it is generally known as isogamous type of sexual reproduction. While in case of unisogamous type of now sexual reproduction, now one gamete which is smaller in size and the gamete which is bigger in size. The gamete which is smaller in size known as male gamete, and the gamete which is bigger in size known as female gamete. Uniso condition is now present within them. Dissimilarity and the fusion take place among these two different gametes, and the process it is generally known as unisogamous type of sexual reproduction. Then the oogamous type of now the sexual reproduction, it is highly evolved type of reproduction. Now in case of oogamous type of sexual reproduction, the male sex organ is generally known as antheridium, and the female sex organ is generally known as now the oogonium. Then the next, algae divided into now the 7 division. Now the division first, algae divided into 7 division according to now the G.M. Smith. Division first, cyanophyta. Then this cyanophyta it is commonly known as the blue-green algae group. Then the second now that is chlorophyta, that is known as green algae group. Then the now pheophyta, it is generally known as brown algae group. Then the pyrophyta, then the chrysophyta, euglenophyta, and lastly now that is rhodophyta, commonly known as now the red algae group. Next, now some common examples of algae are now the Spirogyra, Chlamydomonas, Chlorella, Volvox, Sargassum, Nostoc, Cara, Botrygospermum, Udogonium, Zygnema, Ulothrix, Cladophora, Spirulina, Diatom, and Chlorappa. These are the now some common examples of now the algae. Thanks.